Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt worried as your hair seemed to grow thinner and thinner? Hair falling out so much that you start to wonder if there's any way to turn things around. Today, I'm going to share with you a secret that's been astonishing the world of natural health, a type of oil many people are calling a miracle for hair. This oil doesn't just stop hair loss. It also stimulates new hair growth, making it thicker, stronger, and completely natural. What's even more amazing is that Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned expert in natural health with decades of experience, has witnessed countless incredible stories from those who have used this oil. There are people who once believed their hair could never recover. Yet thanks to the benefits of this oil, they've seen their hair grow back, restoring not just their locks, but also the confidence they thought they had lost. Get ready to discover a natural and effective solution to your hair loss concerns. 1. The components of this miraculous oil. When it comes to hair and scalp care, you've likely heard of countless methods ranging from high-tech products to natural remedies. But one thing is certain: nothing compares to the power of nature when it comes to both effectiveness and safety. And today, the oil we're talking about is none other than rosemary oil, a familiar name that holds an extraordinary power. Rosemary oil is a gift from nature, packed with a rich array of beneficial compounds that offer incredible advantages for both your hair and scalp. Among them, rosmarinic acid stands out as a superstar with its potent antioxidant properties. It protects hair follicles from the harmful effects of free radicals, the silent enemies that weaken and damage your hair. This compound not only creates a protective barrier, but also promotes the recovery of hair follicles, restoring vitality and beauty to your hair. Equally significant is cineole, a unique compound that works wonders by stimulating blood circulation. Cineole helps dilate blood vessels under the scalp, allowing blood to flow more freely and deliver oxygen and nutrients directly to each follicle. This is the secret behind faster, stronger hair growth, addressing the issue of thinning hair that so many people face. Additionally, camphor in rosemary oil acts as a deep cleaning warrior, clearing away excess oil and buildup on the scalp. By preventing clogged follicles, it tackles one of the primary causes of weak and shedding hair. What's more, rosemary oil features the powerful combination of pinene and linalool, two compounds renowned for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. They not only shield your scalp from common issues like folliculitis, fungal infections, or dandruff, but also create an ideal environment for hair growth. Complementing these are natural vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, C, and B6, which nourish hair follicles from within, stimulating cellular regeneration and contributing to hair that's strong, shiny, and resilient. Each ingredient in rosemary oil works in harmony, forming a natural yet powerful formula designed to provide comprehensive care for your hair. Beyond addressing issues like hair loss or scalp weakness, rosemary oil stands as a symbol of resilience and vitality, a testament to the enduring gifts of nature. 2. The mechanism of action of rosemary oil. Rosemary oil acts as an exceptional companion for your hair, working through a natural yet incredibly powerful mechanism. First and foremost, rosemary oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, like unlocking a gateway for a steady flow of nutrients and oxygen to nourish each hair follicle. Thanks to cineole, the blood vessels in the scalp dilate, improving circulation and promoting hair growth. This is particularly important because hair needs a healthy foundation to grow thick and strong. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a sustainable process that nurtures your hair from the roots. Beyond enhancing circulation, rosemary oil demonstrates its remarkable ability to reduce levels of DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a key hormone linked to hair loss. It works by inhibiting the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which converts testosterone into DHT, thereby protecting hair follicles from damage. This is a groundbreaking feature that few natural remedies can achieve, making rosemary oil a highly effective solution, especially for those dealing with genetic hair loss. But it doesn't stop there. Rosemary oil possesses outstanding antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, soothing scalp issues such as folliculitis, dandruff, and fungal infections. Environmental factors and chemical products often damage the scalp, but with the help of pinene and linalool, rosemary oil gently restores and regenerates scalp tissue, leaving it healthier and cleaner. When hair follicles are no longer clogged or inflamed, hair has the natural opportunity to grow back fuller and stronger. What's more, rosemary oil doesn't just focus on new hair growth, it enhances the quality of your existing hair, transforming weak and fragile strands into stronger, shinier, and more resilient ones. Nutrients like camphor and rosmarinic acid act as builders, repairing and reconstructing hair structure from within. This not only prevents hair loss, but also protects your hair from harmful effects like UV damage, pollution, or heat from styling tools. With its comprehensive mechanism of action, rosemary oil truly stands out as a perfect natural solution to help you regain thick, beautiful, and healthy hair. 3. Instructions on how to use rosemary oil. After understanding the incredible components and mechanisms of rosemary oil, you're probably wondering, so, how do I make the most of this miraculous oil? The great thing about rosemary oil is that it's not only effective but also highly versatile, making it suitable for a variety of needs and routines. The simplest and most common way to use rosemary oil is by applying it directly to your scalp. However, to achieve the best results and avoid irritation, you'll need to dilute it with a carrier oil such as coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil. Mix about 5–10 drops of rosemary oil with 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen carrier oil, blend well, and gently apply it to your scalp. While applying, don't forget to massage your scalp in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. This not only helps the oil penetrate deeply into the hair follicles, but also stimulates blood circulation, offering a wonderfully relaxing experience. After the massage, you can leave the oil on your hair for 2–3 hours or even overnight if you have the time, then rinse it out with a mild shampoo. This process should be done 2–3 times a week for the best results. Direct application like this not only promotes faster hair growth, but also significantly improves scalp health, reducing dandruff and dryness. If you're someone with a busy schedule and don't have much time for scalp massages, you can still reap the benefits of rosemary oil by adding it to your regular shampoo. Simply add 5 to 10 drops of rosemary oil to every 100 milliliters of your shampoo. Shake well to blend, and use as usual. When shampooing, take an extra moment to gently massage your scalp to help the rosemary oil's nutrients penetrate the hair follicles. Adding rosemary oil to your shampoo is not only convenient, but also provides long-term benefits. It's an ideal method for those who want to incorporate nourishment into their daily routine without making significant changes. After just a few weeks, you'll notice your hair becoming softer, less prone to breakage, and full of vitality. If you want to use rosemary oil for regular hair care without the need to rinse it out, try creating a natural hair mist. Simply mix 15 drops of rosemary oil with 100 milliliters of clean water. You can use distilled water or boiled and cooled water, and pour it into a spray bottle. Shake well before each use to ensure the oil is evenly distributed in the water. Spray this mixture onto your clean scalp and damp hair after washing, or use it anytime during the day when you want to refresh your hair. This method not only provides moisture, but also enhances the nutrients delivered to your hair without making it greasy or heavy. With its convenience and effectiveness, a rosemary oil hair mist will quickly become an essential companion for your hair care routine. Sometimes your hair deserves a little extra pampering, especially after long days of exposure to sun, wind, or harsh chemicals. A deep conditioning hair mask with rosemary oil is the perfect solution to restore your hair. You can combine rosemary oil with other natural ingredients like honey, avocado, or argan oil to create a nutrient-rich treatment. For instance, mix 1 teaspoon of rosemary oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, and half a mashed avocado into a smooth paste. Apply this mixture to your hair, focusing on the roots and scalp. Then wrap your hair in a warm towel or shower cap and let it sit for 30–45 minutes. Finally, rinse it out with a gentle shampoo. This mask not only leaves your hair soft and healthy, but also soothes the scalp and adds a natural shine to your locks. Another way to maximize the benefits of rosemary oil is by incorporating it into a hot oil treatment. Warm up a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil to a comfortable temperature, then add a few drops of rosemary oil. Apply the warm oil mixture to your hair and scalp, gently massaging it in, and then wrap your head with a warm towel for 20–30 minutes. The heat allows the oil to penetrate deeper into the hair follicles, providing maximum nourishment. This method is particularly beneficial for those with dry or damaged hair, leaving it feeling deeply conditioned and revitalized. Although rosemary oil is a natural and safe product, there are a few precautions you should take to use it effectively and avoid irritation. First, always dilute rosemary oil before applying it directly to your scalp, as undiluted essential oil can cause irritation, especially for sensitive skin. Test a small amount of the diluted oil on a patch of skin, such as your forearm, before using it more extensively to check for any allergic reactions. Additionally, avoid overusing rosemary oil 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. Finally, to achieve the best results, combine the use of rosemary oil with a healthy diet, staying hydrated and managing stress levels in your daily life. 4. Case studies and practical research by Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Dr. Barbara recalls one of the most remarkable cases she encountered. A middle-aged woman who had been struggling with severe hair loss after years of work-related stress and using chemical hair treatments. Her hair had not only thinned significantly, but her scalp also became dry, itchy, and inflamed with small sores. After trying various shampoos, supplements, and chemical treatments with no success, she sought out Dr. Barbara for guidance. Dr. Barbara recommended she try using rosemary oil not as an instant solution, but as a natural remedy requiring patience and consistency. She was instructed to dilute the rosemary oil with a carrier oil, apply it to her scalp, and gently massage it every day. After 3 months of dedication, her scalp irritation and inflammation were completely gone, and hair started regrowing in areas that had previously been bald. By the 6-month mark, she was confidently flaunting thick, healthy hair, a transformation she once thought was impossible. Beyond these real-life stories, Dr. Barbara also relies on scientific studies to support her belief in the efficacy of rosemary oil. One study she frequently references is a 2015 comparison between rosemary oil and 2% minoxidil, a popular FDA-approved treatment for hair loss. In the study, participants were divided into 2 groups, one using 2% minoxidil and the other using diluted rosemary oil. After 6 months, both groups demonstrated similar improvements in hair density and growth rates. However, the rosemary oil group avoided common side effects such as itching, redness, or flaking issues often associated with minoxidil use. A noteworthy aspect of Dr. Barbara's approach to using rosemary oil is her emphasis on personalization. Not everyone needs to use rosemary oil in the same way. For individuals with oily scalps, she suggests using rosemary oil diluted in water as a hair mist to avoid adding excess oil. For those with dry scalps, she recommends mixing rosemary oil with coconut oil and performing deep scalp massages to replenish moisture. After researching and witnessing the inspiring stories surrounding rosemary oil, I genuinely believe that this is more than just a natural remedy. It's a clear testament to the miraculous power nature can bring into our lives. To me, rosemary oil is the perfect blend of science and nature. Its components not only help regrow hair but also improve scalp health in a comprehensive way, something that many expensive chemical products simply cannot achieve. What impresses me most is the versatility of rosemary oil. Whether you're someone with a hectic schedule or someone who has the time to commit to a thorough care routine, rosemary oil delivers results as long as it's used correctly. One thing that solidifies my trust in this oil is its ability to go beyond hair care. It contributes to overall health-enhancing blood circulation, reducing stress, and even supporting memory. That's a value that transcends surface-level beauty, offering a sustainable benefit that only natural remedies can provide. So, is rosemary oil worth trying? For me, the answer is an unequivocal yes. But you don't have to take my word for it for yourself, and I'm confident you'll be just as amazed as I am. If you found the information in today's video helpful, don't forget to take action now to turn your dream hair into reality. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos, where I'll be sharing more natural remedies, health tips, and beauty hacks that you can easily apply at home. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope the information I shared today inspires you and gives you the confidence to start your own hair care journey. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel, where I've shared plenty of interesting and helpful tips on health, beauty, and a balanced lifestyle. I believe you'll find even more value to improve your life. Wishing you a wonderful day, strong and healthy hair, and a spirit full of energy. I'll see you in the next video.